we're going to the biggest amusement park in Korea, Everland.
So fasten your seatbelts and enjoy the ride. All right, we have finally arrived here at Everland, and the craziest thing is when we got to the gate, there was no security at all. No metal detectors, no one checking bags, nothing. I don't know why.
They check our temperature, and that's it.
That's about it. So now we're gonna go try to catch a roller coaster.
Oh no, keep her where she belongs. That's not American. Stop. Currently, we are on a sky lift. We're going to a really big roller coaster. It's so beautiful. We're in the mountain, but it's a little bit misty. It's supposed to storm, so hopefully it doesn't. It's so beautiful. I just want to stop and show you. Looks like we're in Europe. Oh my god, Everland has bidets, dude. Cedar Point, Kings Island, could never.
So we went over to the roller coaster, the T-Express, which is the biggest roller coaster in Korea. We went to go get in line, but they actually have this thing called a smart queue system, where all we had to do was check in on the app, and they actually put us in a virtual line where now we just have to wait 36 minutes and then we can come back to the ride and get right on.
Yeah, 36 minutes for the biggest ride in Korea. It's insane. If they had that for the dragster at Cedar Point, the queue all day, every day would be 3 hours.
I'm telling you.
This is insane.
It's really cool. So we don't have to sit and wait in line. We can walk around and then just come back in half an hour.
Yeah, and once we come back, all we do is show them the QR code from the queue, and that's it. Then we're good. Candy shop, had to do it to them. They have vegan options. Yeah. Hi, Marie. Please stretch.
All right, hold on tight. Here we go.
T-Express. It was freaking amazing. I'm surprised we could film. They're not really strict here, but it was a lot of fun and I screamed my lungs out, so now my throat hurts.
Yes. On to the next thing. His name is Sal.
We are at the Parrot Playhouse and we're going to buy some food to feed them.
자리 안쪽으로는 체험 도구만 얻어주세요. 저희 현재 코로나로 인해 매주 체험을 진행하고 있지 않은 점 양해 부탁드립니다.
Oh, wow. Instant. He's so good. They don't share? Just one comes?
Yeah, he gets the whole fucking meal. Maybe they take turns. They're like, all right, there you go, Barb. Larry, it's your turn. You're on that. Yeah. Fight.
Look at him. Oh, top dog. He's just vibing. He's like, I'm gonna sneak in here.
Dude, he's like, no.
Oh, dang.
He's such an asshole.
He heard us. Yeah. So as you can see, it also has a full freaking zoo. It's called Animal World. I did not think it was gonna be like a zoo. We just fed the birds though. That was awesome. David loved it. Their names Side 1, Side 2, Side 3. Vibing.
Look at his head.
Wait, maybe something's wrong with him.
He's dancing.
His name's Sai. Is this America? Look at all these chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
It's a whole damn army.
Where the Fruit Loops out though.
But the tree's soaked in skin.
The tree's soaked in skin. Look, it's David.
Damn.
Oh my god, they're fucking. I'm dead. This is us, David.
Damn, that really do be looking like us.
Bro. Let's get it on. Is that a sloth?
Yeah.
Hi, sloth. Oh my god, it's just an open raccoon. No cage. Oh my god.
Bunny and Benny escaped. Very ugly.
That's Sai. I mean, come on. Pulling up at the gangway.
What does the fox say?
It's done. I want it.
I want 10.
Look at his little paws. He just twitched. Look how good he is. Hi, capybara. Aww. Did they really groom him like a dog? Me and the club be like, do it. He's doing it. This is the best day of my life. Dude, the boys.
So we just walked through this little trail that's basically like a mini petting zoo, but you can't pet any of the creatures. And they have fucking capybaras, wallabies, alpacas just right next to you.
Yeah, it's so different from the States.
know, dude.
There'd be 30 people out there like, oh, are you sure? Are you okay? Do you need me to open the door?
Yeah.
Like, it's crazy. My hair when I wake up. It's a bunch of dicks.
대머리 황새가 저희가 있어요. 자가도 발굽이 튼튼하기 때문에 마음만 먹으면 저희 차량 창문까지 로스트베리 동물로 함께 한번 전체 시우다 보시면은 아직 상하도 자라있는 모습 여러분들이 한번 확인해 볼 수가 있고요. LG 모터를 제들로 알려져 있지요. 나타내고 있는 거고요. 훌륭한 친구들이 저희가 오늘 나온 기린 중에서는 유일하게 수컷입니다. 바퀴들이 길다란 걸 한번 확인해 볼 수가 있어요. 길다란 영양시만에도 만들 수가 있어요. 얼굴은 사슴을 닮았는데 영양은 낙타 중에서도 봉이 2개가 달려있는 상봉낙타 걸 여러분들 볼 수가 있는데요. 하나 볼 수가 있고요. 영원 쓰레기 하늘이 뽑을 때는 다리 하나
We just got out of the safari. It was so cool. But I know, I feel bad for the animals. We didn't actually know there was a zoo here, or safari. It's included, so we went, but...
I love looking at animals.
Yeah, we have a problem because we love animals and we love seeing them, but I also hate seeing them in these conditions. But, I mean, they could be worse. They seem okay. There's a water fountain, but no coins.
What the hell,
What up,
man?
Korea? Aesthetic.
All right, we are currently vibing in the beautiful garden here, thinking about what we're gonna eat for lunch, not being able to find shit, so we just gotta chill to restore some energy.
Dippin' Dots machine, but not vegan. We are about to do bumper cars. Ah!
We mount very mo. We fall very mo. We go very mo.
So, since it started raining, we decided to go ahead and get on the Thunder Falls ride, which is the wet ride. So
We're already gonna be wet.
might as
Might as well
well.
go for a wet ride. We're in California, Humboldt County.
Vibes all around. Oh my god, we go backwards. Oh shit, oh shit.
Well, we just got fucking drenched. it was already raining outside,
Yeah.
so I guess it was a good opportunity to just double down and get wet.
Yeah, I guess we don't need our umbrellas now. Well, hello there, Clint Eastwood.
Me like corn.
Just like any amusement park, tons of shopping.
That's me.
Well, since we can't find vegan food in Korea, we have some vegan gummies and Pringles. We
Dying.
brought instant ramen, but we can't find hot water. The whole ride is backwards.
That's about to be weird.
French fries! We finally found a place in the Europe section of Everland that sells just French fries. I'm so excited because I have not eaten really anything today. You got the goods. Vegetables!
Not very good.
Alright, this is scary. You playing music is really scary. Alright guys, we're doing rolling eyes. I don't see a difference. Currently waiting for someone to offer to take our photo. Oh, I wish somebody would.
All right, guys, we are about to head out and catch our bus to go home. We had a really amazing day, and we were able to get a lot of stuff done.
Yeah, because of COVID right now, a lot of stuff were closed, but it's a Wednesday and there were barely any lines. So the longest we
It was
waited
awesome.
was what, 30 minutes, which
Yeah.
was awesome.
We had that little rain delay that
Yeah.
closed a lot of the rides, but it gave us some time to like chill out, get some food.
Well, look
It
for
took
food.
yeah 2 hours to find some food.
Korean amusement parks seem to be way less strict than what we're used to.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit a like, leave a comment, pet a cat today, or
Pet two cats.
See ya!
Bye.